Hello everyone, welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create Picsart account. So if you want to use the app and you want to create an account, you just need to follow the steps that I'm about to tell you. And please make sure that you have already installed the app first on your Google Play Store. And then go to the app, wait for it to launch, and here there are three options that you can use. You can just click on the create an account, or you can use your Google account or Facebook account to create a Picsart account. So in this case, I'm going to click on this create an account, and you just need to type in your email address. And then when you're done, just click on next and create your password. Click on next again. The next step, you just need to pick your username, and then when you're done, just click on complete. Okay, there you go, your Picsart account has just been created, and you can see on this, just like that. Okay, so that's it for me. That is how you can create your Picsart account. It's so easy, and I think you can follow it right away. Okay, thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to click the thumbs up icon and leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel for more contents. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye.